Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is the green lime soda drink. And right here I have, this is the green cream soda flavor. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons into the cup. And then to this I'm gonna add some slices of lime. Good. And I'm gonna add some ice. This. Ginger ale, Sprite, or whatever soda you guys like to add in there. I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup. So I'm gonna add some. This is like ginger ale. If you guys want, you guys can add Sprite, 7-Up, whatever else works for you guys. But I like ginger ale, so I'm gonna use that. Woo! It's spilling. And just club soda to top it off. And that's it. That is it for the soda. So move that aside. And we're gonna do the pink one now. So the pink one, same thing. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of the red Sala flavoring syrup here. They're coming. And then I'm going to add in some oranges here. These are sliced oranges. Squeeze some of that in there. Okay, now I'm going to add some ice. Oops. Ginger ale. And then finish it off with club soda. Voila! So there's that one. There's the green one. Oops. I'm gonna add straws in. Decorate this with some wedges. And that's about it. Woo. Stir.